Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Paul, and on this channel I talk about things that I'm curious about and things that I've looked into, I like to share. So with today's video, I wanted to do a Side Hustle Saturday episode. And with this one, I wanted to give you guys the idea, if you are good with woodworking, what you can sell for. If you go to Etsy.com, where you can essentially post your own projects and just get an idea. I want to look this up, and then I also want to do wooden chairs for you guys. For those of you who guys are good with woodworking, just to see what you guys can sell. Look at this simple table here. Well, I shouldn't say simple. I don't know how to do these things, but 200. You got a whole set here, almost $2,000. I mean, these things are going for a good amount. That looks like a nice piece of wood, honestly. That's probably why that's expensive. But definitely some good prices here. And I don't know what the time frame would be on some of these. Obviously, something like this may take like a little bit longer, but if you could do like, one or two or three or four of these a month, definitely could earn some good side income. Let me look up chairs real quick. These go for, okay, so not bad there. 285, 333. Geez, 1,300 right there. Okay, so $40 for these. Yeah, not as much. Let me try this. Yeah, I kind of figured this. So even if you want to build some rocking chairs, you could get some good prices. That's a cheapo one, but so yeah. Anyways, just wanted to give this idea for a side hustle. If you are good with woodworking, whether it be rocking chairs, normal chairs, tables, whatever else you want to make with wood, this could be a site for you, Etsy.com. And you would simply create an account and start posting some of your projects, and you could even start taking orders. So that might be something to consider. All right. That being said, I will see you guys in the next one.